Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Mainstage and loading or creating a concert. Choose blank concert if you want control. Once done, make sure your audio interface and MIDI controller are active in preferences so signals pass through. Create a new patch in the patch list and give it a descriptive name. This will become your snapshot. You do this now because a clean patch lets you assign channel strips, plugins, and mappings without legacy settings interfering. Next, add a channel strip for the sound you want. Pick software instrument for synths or audio for recorded inputs. Then insert and order plugins, sampler, amp, ec, because order affects tone and CPU usage. Route outputs so mono/stereo and aux sends behave predictably. Use MIDI Learn to map your controller's knobs, pads, and sustain pedals. This binds physical controls to plugin parameters. As you tweak, listen, finish by creating snapshots if you need quick variations, and assign program change or CC messages for live switching so transitions stay clean. Save the concert frequently and export your patch or set list to back it up. This prevents losing work. If things go wrong, check input/output routing first, then increase buffer size and disable suspect plugins. This fixes most audio dropouts or crashes. Finally, test the whole setup in a live-like run to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.